Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Tailscale versus WireGuard. Alright, let's begin. Now, Tailscale and WireGuard are both networking tools that enhance security and privacy, but they serve different purposes and offer distinct features. Tailscale is a user-friendly VPN service built on top of the WireGuard protocol. It just simplifies the process of setting up and managing secure networks by creating a mesh VPN that connects devices directly to each other without requiring traditional VPN server setups. Also, Tailscale uses a zero-configuration approach, making it easy for users to connect devices across different networks securely. Now, Tailscale offers features like access controls, authentication and integration with existing identity providers, making it suitable for teams and organizations. WireGuard, on the other hand, is a modern open-source VPN protocol designed for simplicity and performance. It provides a secure way to create point-to-point connections between devices over the internet or other networks. WireGuard is known for its lightweight codebase, high speeds, and ease of use. It can be configured to create secure tunnels between devices, making it suitable for users who want to set up their own VPN solutions with a focus on privacy and security. In conclusion, Tailscale is ideal for those wanting a straightforward, managed VPN service that simplifies the connection of devices across networks, while WireGuard is best for users looking for a powerful and efficient VPN protocol to build their solutions. So that's basically all about Tailscale versus WireGuard. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.